Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe. So, today, children, in grammar, we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. So, what are countable and uncountable nouns? So, first of all, we will see about the countable nouns, then we will go to the uncountable nouns. So, what are countable nouns? The nouns that can be counted. So, it is possible to count countable nouns. They can be singular and plural. That means they can be one or more than one. Example, an apple, two apples, a banana, seven bananas. So an apple indicates that there is one apple. Two apples indicate that there are more than one apple. Then a banana means one and seven bananas means more than one. That is seven. Now, it is not possible to count uncountable nouns. So we can't count these uncountable nouns. They are always in the singular form. They don't take plural form. Example, bread, coffee, meat, milk, water, tea, fish, etc. They are uncountable. Now, let us see. Before countable nouns, we use a or an, like a house, which can be counted. So, single house. Then the table, article the used. Then numbers, two children. So here two children, more than one. Then some or any when they are the plural only. So we use some or any with the plural form of the countable nouns. Like there are some apples on the table. It means if it is not perfectly known, then we use some here. Now see here. Before the uncountable nouns, how do we use? Before them, we use some or any. Like see here, there is some water in the glass. Okay, and there isn't any cheese on the table. So here, children, if you remember, we have done this some, is and isn't. Okay, and some and any also. Like see, there is some water in the glass. So there, what do we understand with this sentence? That this is a positive sentence. Okay, and there isn't any cheese on the table. That is a negative sentence. So with the positive sentence we have used some, and in the negative sentence as not is there we have used any. Water cannot be counted, so uncountable. Cheese cannot be counted, so uncountable. But you can't use a or an or numbers before them. So we can use some or any, but we can't use a, an or any kind of number before them. Now countable nouns are things that we can count. We have seen, for example, pen. We can count pens. Okay, you can count the number of pencils which you have with you. We can have 1, 2, 3 or more pens. So countable nouns have a singular form and a plural form. They refer to things. Most countable nouns become plural by adding an s at the end of the word yes. Like see, my dog is playing. So there is single form and now. When you use my dogs are hungry, now their dog has become dogs. That means plural form. Okay, and we have used s with that. Like that, like singular, like box, boxes. Okay, singular, plural, we can make any is or are. Verb depends on that. Now see, we use some with countable nouns only with their plural. We have seen, and with uncountable nouns. So when to use some? Some is used in the positive sentences. We have seen, I have got some time. Then questions, expressing requests and offers. Would you like some tea? Can I have some biscuits? We use any with countable nouns only with the plural and with uncountable nouns. Okay, some and any, use of some and any. So any is used in negative sentences. I haven't got any time. So here you see, haven't as not has been used in that. Then general questions. Have you got any sisters? Is there any tea left? So in the question form we use any. Now see, countable noun example. He is going to start a restaurant. So restaurant, it is countable. So we have used a before that. Chairs remain empty on the stage during a program. So program also can be counted. Chairs also can be counted. A Hindu temple is situated in Kedarnath in India. So here temple countable noun. He issued a book from the library. So here a book, countable noun. Then he crossed a bridge built on a river. So bridge, river, both are countable. An orchestra is organized tonight near our hometown. So here an orchestra that can be counted. Then she purchases rubber bands for her friends to give on Friendship Day. So rubber bands as has been used, that can be counted. Friends also can be counted. A diet of eggs and milk daily is used for a healthy body. So there also eggs can be counted, but milk cannot be counted here. Now here say book, pen, chair, table, mobile, door, egg, apple, sweets, car, house, ring. All are countable nouns. Now let us see uncountable noun. The uncountable noun is a type of noun of thing or substance that cannot be accounted. That means that cannot be counted. So list of uncountable noun like water, milk, sand, air, music, perfume, electricity, food, work, weather, satisfaction, wheat, drinks, beauty. What are they? They all cannot be counted. Okay. Some of them come under abstract noun also. So listening to music will make you feel relaxed. So your music uncountable, you can't count music. Then we are relaxing our body beside the beach. Then a space ship sent by NASA has lost its orbit into space. Then add some more sugar to a cup of tea. Sugar cannot be counted. Then he was late because of the bad weather. So you can see the words which are highlighted, they can't be counted. Here see pasta also, shopping, satisfaction, then salt, work, these all can't be counted. So these are uncountable nouns. Let us see now. Uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted, only they have singular form, some rice, some tea, etc. For example, we cannot count milk. Okay, we can count bottles of milk or liters of milk, but we cannot count milk itself. So milk cannot be counted, but the container in which they are kept, they can be counted. Okay, so those are countable nouns, but the milk itself is uncountable. So uncountable nouns are substances, now we have seen, are substances, concepts that we cannot divide into separate things or elements. We cannot count them. We use uncountable nouns in singular with a singular verb. Okay. See, music, art, love, happiness, advice, information, furniture, luggage, rice, sugar, butter, water, electricity, gas, power, money, currency. These all are uncountable nouns. We do not usually use the indefinite article a or an with uncountable nouns. So the indefinite articles a or an we don't use with the uncountable nouns. We cannot say an information or a music, but we can say a something of or a piece of news. So here news is uncountable noun. Okay, but when we are taking that measuring word, we will see that measuring noun also in the next class. So we will learn about that. So a something of a piece of news, a bottle of water, a grain of rice. Okay, like that we can count them. So we will do that in the next class about the measuring. Now that is given in your this chapter only, countable and uncountable noun. In the next video we will learn about that. Okay. So thank you everyone. Revise the chapter nicely. It's not hard. You can do that. So have a good day. Bye.